Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you something special that's going to make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. We're talking about the top 10 new plants you absolutely must try this year. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these plants are going to add color, fragrance, and life to your garden. So grab your gloves and trowels and let's get planting. First up, we have the stunning Sunset Fireball Dahlia. This plant is an absolute showstopper with its fiery orange and red blooms. Perfect for adding a burst of color to any garden bed or container. Dahlias are relatively easy to care for and thrive in full sun, making them ideal for summer gardens. Plus, they attract butterflies, which is always a bonus. Next on our list is the Blue Star Juniper. This evergreen shrub is perfect for those who love a touch of blue in their garden. Its soft, needle-like foliage gives off a silvery blue hue that looks stunning year-round. It's drought-tolerant and low-maintenance, making it a great choice for busy gardeners or those in dry climates. Now, for something a bit different, check out the chocolate cosmos. Yes, you heard that right, chocolate. This plant not only has beautiful, deep maroon flowers, but also a delightful chocolate scent. Imagine walking through your garden and catching a whiff of chocolate in the air. These are perfect for containers and garden beds alike, and they love full sun. Number 4 is the Angelonia, also known as summer snapdragons. These plants are fantastic for continuous blooms throughout the hot months. They come in a variety of colors like purple, pink, and white. Angelonias are heat tolerant and attract pollinators, making them a great addition to any sunny garden spot. Let's talk about the lemon coral sedum. This plant is perfect for adding texture and bright lime green color to your garden. It's a succulent, so it's super low maintenance and drought tolerant. Lemon coral sedum is great for borders, rock gardens, or even as a ground cover. It's a wonderful way to brighten up those tough-to-grow areas. Halfway through our list, we have the snow princess, Lobularia. This plant is an absolute delight, with its masses of tiny, fragrant white flowers that bloom all season long. It's perfect for hanging baskets, containers, and borders. Plus, it's heat-tolerant and low maintenance, which is always a win in my book. Next up is the Tiger Eyes Sumac. This plant is not only beautiful, but also incredibly unique with its fern-like golden yellow leaves. In the fall, those leaves turn a stunning orange-red. It's a small tree or large shrub that's great for adding a focal point to your garden. Tiger Eyes Sumac is also hardy and easy to care for. Now, let's look at the Canna Lily. If you want tropical vibes in your garden, this is the plant for you. With its bold, colorful blooms and large banana-like leaves, Canna Lilies create a dramatic effect. They thrive in full sun and love the heat, making them perfect for summer gardens. For those who love hanging baskets or trailing plants, the Calibrachoa is a must-try. Often called million bells, this plant produces an abundance of small, petunia-like flowers in various colors. They bloom profusely all season long and are great for containers, hanging baskets, or even as a ground cover. Last, but definitely not least, we have the Blackeyed Susan vine. This vine is perfect for adding a splash of color to trellises, fences, or any vertical space. Its bright yellow or orange flowers with dark centers are incredibly cheerful and bloom all summer long. It's easy to grow and can really make a statement in your garden. So there you have it, 10 amazing new plants to try in your garden this year. One brings its own unique charm, color, and beauty. Whether you have a big backyard or just a small balcony, these plants can help transform your space into a lush, vibrant oasis. I hope you're as excited as I am to get started with these new plants. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you try any of these plants, let me know in the comments below.